Ang pala natin.
Nasaan ang sa inyong ama? Hindi ka, Mr. K pa. Karinig ka.
Gusto mo naman magkano?
Oo. Saka na pa. Ben, hindi kain na din eh.
Palit tayo ng upuan. Hindi, ano pa?
Ikaw, malito yan. Certified ano ko. May bawang. Ah, okay. Tapos may sili. Tapos may chicken. Tapos may...
Ano ba ito?
May pipino eh. Hindi kayo nagtanong sa akin. May pipino. Masarap.
Pwede pa yun.
Hindi na. Nag-umpisa na tayo. Nandun sa ano kayo. Diyan bumili.
Ano? Ngayon na eating.
Kumain ka na din mo.
아니 그러니까 지금 나더러 오징어 내장하더라고요?
응.
말도 안 돼. 나 태어나서 이런 일 한 번도 해본 적 없어요. 아니 오징어
Ang matanda na yun.
Nasa gumi.
May edad na.
Kasi nga may bawang. May sili. May sipa.
Ano to?
Pork belly. Ano? Pork belly. Tapos may kanin. Kaya yun mo.
Ano ba ito?
Ay,
Huwag tayong yelo.
nababal na.
Wala tayo.
Wala.
Ready on.
Ba't naman? Hindi pa rin yung order na.
Ito yung mga dito.
Kain.
Ano ba na? Hindi naman nakalabad daw mamaya. Ngak ano.
Kaya kung mo ano ang plato. Hindi ko sa doon ang may sili. Hindi. Hindi pa hindi. Hindi. Ang sarap ko kaya may bawang pa, may pabawang pa kaya.
Game nila sa mga speaker ko. Pinapinin na ako sa ano. Yung
Kaso,
baso. Sinong gustong koko? Bibigyan ko na. Ako. Baso, anong baso?
ha? Hindi ko gusto medyo.
Ito baka.
Dito nakabili pa po ako ng marami ganito. May dalawa po ako kanina. Datos.
Sabi ko na kulang ako. Sabi ko kulang. Hindi ko na tayo dito eh.
Hindi mo naman yung stuff yung masakit sa akin.
Mike Rouse is a fraud, and I'm gonna make sure he never sees the inside of a courtroom again unless he's wearing an orange jumpsuit.
That woman doesn't get anything by prosecuting a fraud like you, but she would love to get Harvey Specter.
I'm not turning on Harvey.
You gotta listen to me. I'm throwing you a goddamn lifeline.
I want to tell Jeff the truth about Mike Rouse.
He told you he loved you, didn't he?
I just don't want to lie to him anymore.
The whole story about how Lewis got his name on the door is bullshit.
And I came here to tell you the truth.
It's over. We're done.
Never even thought for a second that you would even consider an idea so disgusting as turning on Harvey.
The only reason I thought about it is because I am scared scared to death of you going to prison.
I explicitly told you to stay away from Mike's case.
I don't care.
Donna, I don't think you get it. There is going to come a time where you're going to have to choose between yourself and them.
They're gonna come for me, they're gonna come for me.
Pinuhuli nila si
You saying you're coming back to me?
Mike Ross.
Yes.
Tapos parang
So you recognize
pababayaan niya
this
si
too?
Mike Ross basta sumbong niya si Harvey. Na si Harvey yung may gawa. Parang turn on ka kay Harvey. Kasi pababayaan ka na
Pabagsak
namin.
yung firm ni Harvey.
Hindi, gusto lang talaga nila huliin si Harvey. Kasi si Harvey ay
Dad, you know I have to practice.
big fish. Malaking pangalan si Harvey eh.
There's something I have to tell you.
What is it?
Baka makapal yun.
We're moving to Connecticut.
What?
Hmm.
Why?
Something chicken.
Very nice.
Tulog
Sarap
marinate
ang,
dito. Tulog marinate dito.
sarap ang may bawang.
What exactly does that mean?
It means that we don't have to prove that she can't subpoena our records. She has to prove that she can. She doesn't have a shred of evidence proving that you knew about me.
If she got those subpoenas in the first place, she must have something.
Wrong. I worked in the DA's office for 5
I
years.
was wrong.
Judges give out subpoenas like candy.
I suggest the two of you get the hell on down there and take that woman's candy away.
The fact is, Your Honor, she has no grounds to even issue these things in the first place.
What does he even do?
I'm here because I'm a lawyer and I'm innocent until proven guilty. And those subpoenas aren't about coming after me. They're about coming after him.
You're damn right they are, because there's no way he didn't know you're a fraud.
Where exactly is your evidence of either one of those things?
I see. They're not trying to fight these subpoenas. They're trying to get me to turn over whatever evidence I have, which I don't have to do for another 3 weeks. You'll do whatever I say you have to do. Now, I want to know what started this whole thing. We received an anonymous email from a reputable source.
Yeah. And a stranger called me the other day saying you killed 6 people. Can I subpoena her bank records?
You think this is a joke?
You're damn right this isn't a joke. I'm being accused of a crime based on some bullshit email no one's even seen.
I'd ask if you have that email on you, Miss Gibbs, but I wouldn't want to put you in a position of lying to you. So let's have it. This is from a general Harvard faculty address. It is. We are working on tracking down these. You better find them. Because without corroborating testimony, I'll not only quash these subpoenas, I'll toss the entire case.
Bitch. It's Henry Gerard. Harvey, if Gerard was gonna say something, why would he wait until now?
I don't know, but it's the only goddamn person it could be.
Alright, then I'm gonna go and see him.
And do what? You're gonna get to him before Gibbs does, get him to recant. This isn't testimony. It's a tip to a crime you actually
I don't
committed.
care. We have leverage on Gerard.
Were you in there? This woman has her sights on both of us. You go up to Boston, she's gonna have people crawling all over Harvard, and you're gonna be the one who led her to Gerard.
I can't just sit here and wait for the sword to drop.
Wait a second. You can't go there.
Nakalive ka.
I can't go there.
Record lang.
But I know someone who can.
Jessica, I was wondering when you were going to show up at my door.
So you've heard about Mike Ross?
Oh, everybody's heard about Mike Ross. Now I finally know what you were hiding from me the whole time. But what I don't know is how the hell you let something like this happen in the first place.
We'll talk about that in a minute.
So yung namin ko,
But I'm not just here to apologize for what happened between us. I'm here to ask for your help.
You want me to represent the firm.
If it comes to it, I want you to represent me.
You got a lot of nerves coming in here to ask me that.
Jeff, I made the mistake of not trusting you once. I don't want to make that same mistake again.
And you're going to have to tell me the truth about everything. Right now. And it's not going to be protected by attorney-client privilege. And you're going to have to trust that I'm not going to turn you in.
I was never worried that you were going to turn me. I was worried about putting you in a position where you had to lie. But I was ready to tell you that night anyway. So I might as well tell you now.
Rachel, what's going on?
I just got a call. They took Donna down to the U.S. Attorney's office.
We have to get down there right now.
No, we don't.
I'm gonna take care of her. You go ahead and do what we were gonna do together.
Harvey, Donna getting taken in changes everything.
It changes nothing, so stop talking to me and do what you have to do.
It was Henry Gerard. What? The person who handed me in was Henry Gerard. It was an anonymous email. No way. How would he even know that you're not a lawyer? That case we took last year, he figured it out. Well, then why would he wait to turn you in now? I don't know. But what I do know is you need to get up there and you need to get him to take it back. How am I supposed to do that? That's what you and I are going to figure out right now. Wait a second. Where's Harvey? He's got an important meeting. What could be more important than this? Lewis, it's a personal matter. Where is he? They brought Donna in for questioning. God damn it, this is what I was afraid of. I'm heading down there right now. Lewis, listen to me. They're gonna try and put pressure on Donna to turn on Harvey, and the best way to make that pressure go away is to make Gerard go away, which can make this whole case go away. Give me the goddamn email. Now, before you go up there, I'm sorry, wait a second. Why would someone who knows you're guilty call you a potential fraud? I don't know, he's trying to cover his ass. Potential fraud, besmirching the sacrosanct name of hallowed Harvard University. Lewis, we really don't have time for this, please. Like I know who wrote this email. It's not Henry Gerard.
Excuse me, miss. Can an old man pull up a seat?
Hi, Dad. Oh.
So, have you looked over the deal?
I have.
And you see the potential I'm talking about?
It's a great project.
But
I'm not sure how wise it is for you to get back into development.
I understand you feel that way after what it did to you, but
I feel that way.
Don, I told you, the banks are crazy with everything right now. All I need is $250,000. I can get a loan 5 times the size.
I don't know, that just sounds really risky.
Aren't you always telling me that Harvey says, if you want to get ahead, you need to take risk?
Dad,
Wala naman yung kanina naghanap ako.
I'm so sorry.
Don't worry, sweetie. People have tried to rattle my cage plenty of times. Never worked before. And it's not gonna work now.
That's what I told her. You're gonna be okay. Donna, can you give us a minute?
Harvey,
Yeah.
they're saying this has to do with that deal I talked to you about 7 years ago.
And?
Is there something you're not telling me?
The only thing I haven't told you is that I'm gonna get him out of this, no matter what.
Iba na ang takbo ng kwento. Hindi ko nagsinabot.
What the hell did you do? What are you talking about?
They didn't bring you in here if you didn't do something 7 years ago. And if I'm gonna get you out of this, I need to know what you did.
I did what everybody else did. I inflated my collateral because you shut me down. So don't come in here telling me this is my fault.
I shut you down to protect Donna from getting involved in exactly something like this. This is on you, not on me.
Well, aren't you high and mighty? Coming in here accusing me of putting my daughter at risk when the whole reason she's in the position she's in is because of something you did. That's right. They told me this is because they're trying to get Donna to testify against you, and they want me to help them get her to do it.
Then why don't you?
Because I know it would kill her. And no matter what you may think, I would never do anything to hurt my daughter.
Did you talk to Donna?
I talked to Harvey, and he said
I don't care what he says. What are they coming after her for?
Mike, Harvey asked me.
Rachel, what are they coming after her for?
They're not coming after her for anything. They're coming after her father.
What?
Turns out he was involved in some sort of real estate deal, and they're saying it wasn't on the evidence.
Damn it.
So, Mike, calm down. It's nothing. Harvey's gonna get them out of it. It's really just a minor violation. No one would even care if it weren't for
Me. You were just about to say if it weren't for me.
Mike.
That's it. I'm pleading guilty. I'm gonna take the reduced sentence. I'm gonna do the time, and all of this is gonna go away once
Hindi
we're
pa sila
It's not
kinasal.
an option, and you know it. The only reason they went after Donna's dad is to get to Harvey and Jessica. If you plead guilty, all you're gonna do is help them do that. So you're either gonna turn on the two of them, or you're gonna fight this thing out till the end.
We need to talk
About what?
about what we're going to do if that prosecutor gets a hold of those subpoenas.
You mean what we're gonna do about the letter that Mike has that proves you knew he was a fraud?
Yes, that's what I mean. I'm assuming you were smart enough to destroy that thing the second they let you out?
And I'm assuming you destroyed the affidavit that you had Rachel sign saying she knew the truth about me.
I didn't. I had the same conversation with Louis. We worked it out. I'm here to tell you I will get rid of mine if you get rid of yours. I knew it. You're actually considering turning your back on me and Harvey.
I'm not turning my back on anyone, but we both know you've done some things that make me question whether or not I can trust you.
Well then, the least you can do is find the time to speak with my attorney before that ruling comes down. Your attorney? I'm sure you've heard of him. His name's Jeff Malone. This way.
You're even lower than I thought you were. And I didn't think that was possible.
Coming from someone with your moral compass, I take that as a compliment.
What gives you the right to come after my secretary's father?
I'm not the one prosecuting him. It just so happens that one of my colleagues is going after him on a completely unrelated matter.
Bullshit. The only reason you're doing this is to put pressure on Donna to come after me.
Well, now that you mention it, the judge did say I needed something tying you to Mike Ross's fraud in order to get those subpoenas, and they...
Oh, ito ah.
Wala. Ayaw.
Hindi mo sa TV.
Kailangan, di ba, na busy? Busy din yung TV.
Masarap. Ito. Malasang malasa.
Sarap nga yung binabag.
Dapat pala ito lang lagi nagmamarilin.
Dahil pwede kang mag-ano eh.
Business.
Mag-business tayo ng chicken, ano
Oh.
yung... Tapos eh...
Sarap niya. Itong kombinasyon ito. Tsaka ito.
Meron ka lang
Magkano
tagaluto.
tayo?
Diba na?
Restaurant.
Tagaluto.
Sabal mo si Mandos. Sino ka? Sino?
Mando and Elvis.
Sino ka? Bilis.
Hindi mo andi yan.
Yun.
Bang, wala ka naman puhunan sa ano? Resto.
Oo nga. Parang... Parang niluto sa ano.
Tsaka napagsawa na siya mag-safety officer.
Parang...
Natutuwa pa siya sa mga kwento.
Parang binarbecue. Ano?
Hindi ka amoy.
Pero hindi.
Tsaka na, kanin natin. Family business, korporasyon.
Paggawa mo kay Yana yung bigay, hindi niya. Yung maglang, hindi.
I-share ka naman kay Yana kung... Ano? I-share ka naman.
Stockholder ka naman.
Shareholder.
Tsaka na yan.
Company.
Kapag nakatapos na ako doon.
Ako CEO.
Hindi ko siya agad.
Sige na, pahinanti na lang.
Ikaw driver.
Taga-pamili na lang.
Taga-pamaling.
Mami, may tukay ako sa inyo.
Okay.
Nagkagatukoy ka.
Gawa nung tigil-stay si kuya doon, nagastos niya yung pera ko na si Jake.
Ano mo?
Ang tagal na naman yun.
Yun na lang last money ko eh.
Sige.
Kala ko sabihin na, ang tagal na lang, wag na. Wag na, ang tagal na eh.
Ba't ngayon masabi?
Wala, naiya ako.
Dapat lagi ka nahihiya. Para hindi mo na nabanggit.
Okay.
Eh, hindi ka na nahiya. Nabanggit mo na eh.
Pag nabanggit mo, kailangan pa.
Kailangan mo ng pera.
Ang dami ng bagal ng
Sa
project.
TV. Tutoy TV.
Yung katabi mo dyan.
Ay, ang ganun kamay ko.
Lahat tayo magdumi.
Ayoko naman TV.
Kaya ko naman
Okay na naman ito siya.
Hawakan mo remote, di ko. Kabel yan.
Nagising nga kasi, nawala ng internet.
Kaya nga.
Di sana pinunta ko sa TV, eh di kat nawala nga ng internet.
Kimchi. Kimchi. Oh.
Saan nyo na ko yung baboy na yan?
Binili. Masinimot. Di yan sa likod.
Pinalaki.
Hindi, hindi man tayo nabili ng baboy.
Hindi bumili. Para sa sanggyo.
Ito, bis ko mabusog yun.
Tama na pagbusog. Thank you, Lord.
Para siyang alak. Yung sausawan na yun. Oo, sa akin. Alak.
Maalak?
Alak.
Nakatikin ko na ba yung alak?
Paano? Nakatingin na ako
Saan ka nakatikin?
Ang pistola?
Sabi ko doon. Din sa doon kayo namamig daw dati. New Year ata yun.
Saan pa?
Aangin na yan. Hindi na, confess ka na.
Saan ka nag-inom? Kaya nakatikim na ng alak. Yung 17th birthday.
Talagang si Sel ay kung mag-interrogate ay ano eh. Alam ko, susunod na ka ng isaan pa.
Kaya nung ng alak na kasing naglalat na. Magambing yan sa akin pag nalalasin.
Dati hindi mo namupunta.
Nalasing yan, ano? Ha?
Ang sweet.
Ang sweet.
Kulang na lang piano lumabas sa bibig eh. Tapos sabay sabi, I love you daddy.
Doon ka lang malambing.
Hindi mo sinasabi sa akin nang hindi ka lasing.
Ikaw din.
Ikaw din naman.
Pag lasing ka lang din, I love you.
Minsan na. Galit na nga madalas.
Yung mga kayo.
Pares.
Yeah.
Hindi ka malasing.
Hindi naman lang. But I wish you were sober.
Ano gusto mo sa blood ko ya?
Iyo pa gayon?
Okay. Yes na.
Pero naganda yung balat ni Kuya.
Timo legs niya, tsaka legs ko. Mas maganda pa legs ko.
Sa mukha, sa mukha.
Sa mukha kasi.
Sir, ba't ang kinis sa mukha? Ba't ang katawan eh patsi-patsi yan?
Ngayon yung sister yan.
Siyempre dati pa kasi to.
Bilis.
Kamot.
Pag nga tayo nagkakasugat, paglat agad no. Balat namin ni Kuya.
Kastar. Dati mata to eh, parang mata to dati yun.
Oh, busog ako.
Tigil na to.
Ano ba yung naka-ano yun? Naka-montage? Ay, naka-ano? Naka-timelapse?
Ano yun?
Nakalive.
Dili
Parang
tayo.
sarap pag-video ako.
Tinatere.
Yung tiniterence pa.
Huwag kayo. Pag-ayun na.
Ganda yun.
Sige, ganyan kayo. Kami naman sa ano. Ano ba yung kaya agad? Birthday na.
Tama.
Nagulat din tayo.
may training.
Bakit?
I mean yun sa mga police ano. Gusto ko sensitive.
Pipigtas mo pa ako na rin.
Training kumain.
Bawal sa hindi ka nare-training ngayon.
Yung mga kumain na.
Sa kanta
Ano matatakutin?
May gintukan.
Hoy!
Kunin mo ang balat.
kahit kuyap ng dahil.
Sarap na ubat, no?
Meron daw yung 300 million nerves sa ano.
Ano?
Kaya sabal na lakas ng pangkaroon.
Ano?
300 million.
300 million ano?
Nerves.
Kahit is that?
Nerves, para ano ang kaso?
Ilan pag human?
Alin, para may
Mga nasa
kumbahan.
ano lang, 8.
6
8
lang, 6.
million.
Makit lang.
6 lang, 6.
6 million ang usapan, tapos pagka 8 lang talaga. Oo. Binigyan ka pa lang ng ilong. Baka naman hindi na gumana yan. Kulang sa gasolina. Ang dami pang dahon. Kulang kami.
Gugulay na lang yan.
Pero, Diyos ko, hindi
Pero
marunong.
ang dami ko nakain gan.
Dami ko nakain.
Ha?
Lima ako.
Sa dami mo nakain, naging kulay green na rin yung damit ko.
Sige.
Oo.
Tuwan-tuwa dito si Aaron eh, yung makarni.
Kahit nga
Pero
ganyan.
tamo, kung kumuha ng gulay, 5 piraso lang.
Si mami mo pag galit kay Aaron, may nilalagyan yung paa naman.
Kulang
naman
na
pala.
pa naman ako. Hindi ako kakain.
Tipit-tipit mo.
Ayun,
Sarap ng ubot.
yun nga, sarap nga.
Malutong mo.
Balotong.
Minsan kasi ngabili si mami mo, ano na?
Tama yung kanin?
Juicy, no?
Bago.
Saan binukara?
Okay lang naman yung binibili namin kung ano ba. Nakakain pa rin. Minsan yung mangga, no? Na binibili namin ko. Talagang parang kasira.
Kasi pag bago, 120, pag luma, 70.
Pinapatalan. Ano sa bago?
Ba? Kalahari. Kaya di maga, ha?
Nang alin?
Maga.
Ingay.
Babalik
Ang
na
ingay niya
naman
sa
pala ako sa ano.
Ang ingay niya sa April 24, birthday ni...
Babalik,
Si Boy.
babalik na naman ako sa Quezon City.
Birthday ni Christian sa April 24, sa Webes.
Tanda ko nung
Kasi
gumala
pangkat
kami.
tayo.
Okay na.
Ang ingay
Tanda ko
dito.
nung gumala kami ng nakapagkakatali na Jericho. Sa kabili ng Nilito kami ni Rap sa bar.
Papansin, final.
Hindi ba kami pumasok, pero meron pa doon yung sinita.
Puro ba?
Puro bar.
Papansin.
Iba yung vibe doon sa bar, parang ang dilim.
Bako.
Ano yung dumilim yung lugar, tapos
Bar.
parang puro disco.
Kung kasi nyo to, na kayo maggala ni Gumako.
Sino ka kasama mong paggagala? Ilan kayo?
Alam mo ko, masasama namin ng group 5, tatlo lang kami.
Tatlo? Yaan mo, ba't bagay pinapaka-KJ mo?
Baka madrag kayo doon.
Maano?
Madrag.
Saan kami ipapasok pa sa ano, magdagaw pa kami kalokohan.
Drag eh, baka parami kita rin ang mga
Hindi,
yan.
I mean madrag.
Madrag.
Madrag. Madrag. Madrag.
Umaga? Hindi mo kami gabi.
Bar?
Sigala lang.
Dudukutin, parang gano'n. Ano yun, drag?
Mahatak, mahagod.
Kasi huwag lang kayong pupunta sa mga alanganing mga eskinita.
Kaya,
Doon lang kayo
Sa
sa
mga
main,
Sam kami, syempre.
sa mga main road lang kayo. Safe kayo dyan.
Baka ako pa magala sa mga yun.
Anong oras?
kaya nga
Umaga.
pwede ako.
Sarado pa SM?
Araw.
Ano oras ka alas dito?
Magkano ang video ka sa Walter?
Ha?
Wala pang definite yung usapan eh.
Video, okay? Mga 600.
Hindi, naman na sa Walter Park lang.
Friend ng video, okay naman sinasabi ni Mami.
Yung ano sinasabi yung KTV.
KTV, oo nga, ganun na.
Hindi, parang ano lang yun, 200.
Room or kada person?
Pero yun.
Tapos may oras naman doon sa mga.
May 2 hours, may 3 hours.
Papareserve nyo yun, kasi madami itong i-reserve. Masaya mag ganun.
Kaya
Kumakanta ako sa ganun.
Hindi ako nakakapag-ano.
masaya na ganun kapag kasama mo ikaw, pares ng space mo.
Tropa kasama mo.
Unless kung ganun, ano pa ako sa inyo.
May dala kang pagkain.
Ah,
Ay, siyam yun eh. Siyempre, sabi ko lang.
Pwedeng doon ka magpapa-reserve.
Kung may available, okay.
Alam mo yung sa ano yung sa mga World of Fun? Yung sa mga laro, nandun yung KTV. Minsan rinig yun sa labas, no? No, yung KTV, minsan rinig sa labas yung boses mo.
oo nga.
Yung pangit ang boses ko, marinig ka dun sa labas.
Awas pe. I-mute nyo na lang yan.
Magpakulo ka ng tubig, buhos mo doon.
I-mute nyo na lang yan.
Alam mo yung nagbubuhos ng tubig. Eh, wait lang, nagpapakulong muna.
Yun ang kanilang freedom of expression.
Ganyan umibig si Kuya. That is big.
Yan ang ulam.
Ito ako magugas ng kapit. Huwag kang magbabasa ha. Huwag kang mag-ila mo.
Tama, that I love you.
Yan, magtulong kayo na rin yun eh. Hindi pwede kugas. Ako nagbugas kanina.
Ako na.
Paano? Nag-ano ka? Sige.
Yan, hindi yan. Excuse yan. Gawa ng patilo. Oo. Magaling mo game ha.
Ikaw hindi ka excuse.
Alin?
Maplanta ka pa.
Ano gusto mo? Maghuhugas, magkaplantsa. Pwede ako magplantsa.
Kakaunti ang paplantsahin ko.
Hindi, paplantsahin ko ang ating mga.
Ako na lang, plantsa na lang ako. Kakaunti ang paplantsahin ko.
Sige.
Kaya puro bakasyon ang mga yan eh. Wala namang kay Aaron. Dito
Baka hindi
lang.
mo planchahin lahat ng damit ko.
Ilagay mo dyan!
Mami, ma-
Ba't yung isang salbal mo?
Kasi yung isa, hindi nalabahan.
Kung nga ngayon mo lang nasabi hindi nalabhan,
Okay lang. Nangungamoy siya kanya.
Ito ako meron.
sana dapat tapos yun. Ayan. Bakit? Kung yung nilabas mo yung lagi naglalabay na pasakay ko.
Eh, naronda ka ng baho.
uwi na.
Baho.
Baho ng isa na yun ah. Nakaka-trauma ah.
Baho nung na-report ko yun.
Hindi yan safe, ang baho mo.
Huwag ako nagkasakit.
Papasin bakit ng safety officer.
Tingnan ko yung ganun.
O yan, yun na lang.
Yun na.
Oo, naubos na namin eh.
Masok na lang yun. Ah, nga.
Totoy, baka kayo maikukuha mo ng tubig.
Waka.
Tubig
Ano
sa...
yun? Sabawan mo lang.
Sige na.
Damihan mo, hati na kami dyan.
Puno.
Siyempre puno.
Kayo minom ng tubig. Ang tapis ng ano, ubas.
Ayaw.
Oh, anong gusto mo iubas?
Hindi.
Maasim.
Uwi mo tapos sabi lang. So,
Ano,
first,
ano. Oo.
Yung may inom.
Nag-uusap. Pag nag-uusap,
Bakit parang hindi ako nakaramdam ng init? Ano?
Gusto mo mag-init.
Hindi yung binabanas.
Pinagkuha ka kayo. Saan natin simulan sa punong tenga? Baga!
Sasampanin kita. Sana'y ako'y matutulog kami. Pero ang haba ng tulog ko, mamaya pa ako makakatulog. Makakagawa pa ako ng 5 kahon. Para doon sa iyong ano gusto mo?
nakaayos na yung amin nito. Tingnan mo ngayon.
Hindi, yun doon sa taas.
Kaya pala tapos gusto gawin.
Hindi, malinis ang aking ano.
bumi. Wait lang tayo na. Wait lang.
5 na tayo nagising yung tagal.
Oo nga. Alas 2 ako humiga.
Hindi ka tagal ko dito.
Tagal ko nakatulog.
Pag hindi pa... Nasa kain.
Pagkakain, natulog ka na. Oo nga.
Sakit ng simang pakaramdam ko eh.
Hindi pa na tutulong yung ano natulog
Okay
ka
na,
na.
hindi na nakakain.
Kumain tayo mga ano kanina, 12:30. Natulog ka na. Kaya ayoko din napapagat sa kwarto ko. Nakakatulog ako. Pag ganung oras. Tapos hindi na ako nakatakot.
Alas 12 ako yung humiga. Mabanas.
Tulog ka eh. Tulog ka na
Hindi naman mabanas doon yung hampas ng ano sa simento.
Buti na mami, hindi masyado mabalas no kasi malawak na.
Kaya nga.
Kaso, yung kulang bukas yun ni mami no, wala na sa balat. Ang balat.
Dito ko na lang matulog. Kasala ako night shift ko.
Kaya ay maingat. Gawain siya. Sabi ko nga doon sa aming kwarto. Doon malamig.
Nagigising na ng alas 12.
Sa kwarto ko minsan hindi masyadong mabalas. Pero minsan, pagpasok mo, parang ibang mundo.
So, pag mainit, ramdam na ramdam ko sa gusto ko.
May paningkay na sa taas.
Katabi mo katabi mo
Katabi
isa
mo
isa.
ang kisame. Katabi mo rin.
Wala, hindi pa tataman ng ayos na electric fan.
Pwede ka naman bumaba.
Sino na nalagdag ka sa sa double
Kumain
deck?
ako
Di
nun.
ba sino na nalagdag ka sa double deck?
Oo. Wala kasing haring yung
Ang
dati.
taas, ano? Buti na lang ako ito hindi nabili.
Buti di ka nabalian. Hindi ko alam dito ata yun na yung
Buti na sige na yung taas eh.
Doon na ito na rin yun o.
Yan na yun.
Oo, wala pang tali.
Oo.
Talagdag.
Ramdam ko yung feeling nun eh, nang palaglag na ako. Parang nalipad.
Pero maigit ikaw eh, hindi.
Buti di naman
Salamat
yun.
at hindi ka iningatan ng Panginoon.
Buti hindi ka nabukli.
Ang mga anghel sinambol.
Dahil pwede mangyari sa'yo, pwede ka sipo mo, pwede ka mabungi.
Oo nga.
May performance kami dati.
Sa nagpatak ka nung...
Yung sakit ko ng ganito niya, yung sakit ng ganito.
Kasi shoot siya dun sa ano yun o. Kahit may harang kasya siya.
Hindi ako kasing tali. Pero kahit nung double take natin dyan,
Sana?
yung double take namin doon, ilang beses na ako nalalaglag kung pinakatutulog eh.
Sayo!
Kuya nga naihi eh.
Hindi ka naihi.
Oo.
Hindi ka naihi.